Hey guys, good morning. We're going to crochet a beanie today, guys. This is the mini version of the adult spiral beanie. Okay, I will be using a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn, a size I 5.5mm crochet hook, and also you will need a scissor and a yarn needle. So, alright, this size is for a preemie to newborn. Let's begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice, and then remove the ring, and into the ring we're going to make 10 double crochet. So make a chain 3, 1 2 3. This is counted as first double. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So I have 10 double crochet including the beginning chain 3. Now we're going to close the ring. So we have two strands here. This is the outside strand and this is the inside strand. So we're going to pull the inside strand halfway from left to the right, like that. And this tail, we are going to pull this tail nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. So this is the beginning chain 3 here. 1 2 3. Join it with slip stitch there. Okay, now for the round 2, we're going to make one front post single around this stitch where we did the joining, and then chain 2. This is counted as first front post double crochet. So in between this post and this double, we are going to make one double crochet. And make one front post double crochet around this double. Make one double crochet in between this double and this double crochet over here. Make one double crochet and front post double crochet around the next. One double crochet in between the two doubles, and we're going to repeat this around. One front post double, one double crochet in between, one front post double around the next, one double crochet in between, one front post double around the next, one double crochet in between, one front post. Go ahead guys and repeat this pattern around, and when you finish you should have 20 stitches. Okay, I have my last front post double crochet here, and before we join we still need to make one double crochet in between the last double and the first double. Make one double crochet to complete the 20 stitches. And now we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and for the round 3, we are going to make one front post single around this stitch where we did the joining again, and chain 2, counted as first front post double crochet. And in between this front post and this double crochet, we are going to make two double crochet here. 1 and 2. Okay, now we are going to skip this next double, and around this post we are going to make one front post double crochet, and in between this post and the next double we are going to make two double crochet. Then skip this double, and around the next double crochet we are going to make one front post double crochet, then two double crochet in between. Okay, I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip this next double around this front post double, make 1 front post double crochet, and in between this front post and this double, make 2 double crochet here, and then skip this double and make 1 front post double crochet around this post, and then 2 double crochet in between this post and this double, and then skip this double and front post double crochet, just like this. So go ahead guys and repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and I have the total of 30 stitches around. And now let's join it like before. On top of the beginning chain 2, join it with slip stitch. And for the round 4, make 1 front post single around the beginning stitch, and then make a chain 2, and in between this first front post double crochet and the next double, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to skip this 2 double crochet here, and around this front post double, make 1 front post double crochet. Then in between this front post and this double, make 3 double crochet. Now skip this 2 double crochet, and around this front post double, make 1 front post double crochet. Then 3 double crochet in between this front post and this double. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Skip this 2 double crochet, and then front post double crochet around this front post, and in between this front post and this double over here, make 3 double crochet, and then skip this 2 double crochet here and front post double crochet around here, and then 3 double crochet in between of this double and this double. So go ahead guys, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I ended up with 3 double crochet in between this front post and the next double. And before we join, we are going to skip this last 2 double crochet here and join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, for the round 5, we are going to make 1 front post single again into the same stitch as joining, and make a chain 2, and in between the first front post in the next double, make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to skip this 3 double crochet here and make 1 front post double crochet around the next front post. Then 4 double crochet in between this front post and the next double. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to skip this 3 double crochet again and make 1 front post double crochet around the next front post, and 4 double crochet in between the front post and the next double. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip this 3 double crochet and make 1 front post double crochet around this front post, and in between this front post and this double over here, make 4 double crochet, then skip this 3 double, front post double crochet, and 4 double crochet in between these 2 posts, and then front post double crochet around this front post. So go ahead guys, it should be like this. Repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you before the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round, and I have the total of 50 stitches around. And for the remaining rounds, I want you guys to go ahead and repeat this last round that we just finished until you have the measurement of 4.5 inches long from the first round up to the last round. and always begin each round with front post single around the same stitch as joining plus chain 2. Alright, so go ahead guys, repeat this last round until you have 4.5 inches long, and I will meet you for the brim. Okay guys, I finished my remaining rounds, and I have 1 2 3 4. I have 4 rounds of repeats. Okay, so I have my 4.5 inches long, and now for the first round of the brim, we are going to make a chain 1 and then single crochet into the same stitch as joining, make single crochet into the next 4 stitches, single crochet into the next front post, and now I want you to go ahead and finish your single crochet into each stitches around. When you finish the round, you should have the total of 50 single crochet. Go ahead guys and finish your single crochet around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my 50 single crochet around. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. And for the round 2, we are going to make a chain of 2 and make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, and go ahead and make 1 half double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 50 half double crochet when you finish the round. Go ahead guys and finish your half double crochet round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my half double crochet around, and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Now for the round 3 of the brim, we're going to make a chain 2, and around the next half double crochet, we are going to make 1 front post half double crochet, and around the next half double crochet, make 1 back post half double crochet. Front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next, front post half double crochet around the next, back post around the next, front post around the next, and back post around the next. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around, making front post half double crochet around the next half double, back post half double crochet around the next half double, front post half double crochet around the next half double. So make front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post alternately until you finish the round, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. Now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 like before. And for the next round, make a chain 2 and make 1 front post half double crochet around the next front post, 1 back post half double crochet around the next back post, 1 front post half double crochet around the next front post, back post around the next back post, front post, back post around the next, front post around the next, back post around the necks. Go ahead guys and repeat this pattern around again. Don't forget to use half double crochet front post and back post, okay? So finish your round and I will meet you for the joining again. Alright guys, I finished my round and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. I close my work here and cut the yarn, and don't forget to wave the tail of your yarns, okay? This beanie is for size preemie to newborn, and it has the length of 5.5 inches long from top down to the brim, and the circumference is 12 to 14 inches. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. Alright, we finished another project. Thank you for crocheting along with me today, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Today is Saturday, and I hope you all enjoy your weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and share my videos, and see you again for my next tutorial.